Hello friends, today we are going to learn about the topic network as a service, in which we are going to learn how network as a service is provided by cloud computing services and how it is part of the anything as a service. Network as a service. Network as a service here, it provides, or the providers of network as a service, networking infrastructure to the customers who do not want to build their own application. That means it provides the services to the customers or the consumers who cannot and also who don't want to build their own application. Network as a service is sometimes listed as a separate cloud provider along with infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. This factors out networking. That means this factors what it provide here, networking, firewalls, related security, etc. from infrastructure as a service. We can understand this that network as a service can include flexible and extended virtual private network bandwidth, on demand custom routing, multicast protocols, security firewalls, intrusion detection and prevention, wide area network WAN, content monitoring and filtering and antivirus. So, all these things that can be included in network as a service, thus it acts like a different cloud from infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. What all things it include here and how it is very important to the customers. See, extended virtual private networks, these are very important to the customer to keep some of the sensitive data and informations within the organization or in one network. Some of the customers, they do not want some information to be out in the network. Then another thing is bandwidth on demand. That means now I want to use low bandwidth, then I can use the lower ones. And if my usage has been increased, then on demand, the size of the bandwidth should be increased. Custom routing, multicast protocols, security firewalls are very important. Then intrusion detection, prevention, everything that a company needs to manufacture or create for its own is being provided as a service from this network as a service of cloud computing services. There is no standard specification as to what is included in network as a service. Implementations vary. See, networking firewall security or network as a service. This comes under infrastructure as a service, and this infrastructure as a service, it comes under platform as a service and then software as a service. So it is there in both the or in all the three layers of cloud computing services. The network as a service provides networking infrastructure to the customers who do not have their own application. The third party can deliver the network infrastructure to them. Network as a service includes services such as wide area networking connectivity, data center connectivity, bandwidth on demand, and other applications as we have seen before. It includes the optimization of resource allocations by making network and computing resources as a unified wholesome. That means it unify them or it combines them and create a wholesome product and give all these applications to the or all these resources to the customers via networking as a service. Here, the product can be purchased for multiple users for a particular time period. We can use network as or networking as a service with other marketing items such as cloud computing. Networking as a service sometimes includes network virtualization using a protocol that is open flow. What are the features of networking as a service? Some of them are here. First thing, networking as a service or network as a service, it allows customer to access the internet directly and in a secure manner. In addition, it allows the customers to run custom routing protocols. Then, with the help of virtualized network, the network as a service provides network services to the consumer. This feature benefits the customer as they do not have to manage and worry about the infrastructure and can focus on developing the business. Then it helps the user in a way by providing them with a virtual environment which saves their physical cost, such as cost of the hardware and their maintenance. Also, it has a feature of remote access through which a customer can access the data from anywhere and at any time with the help of internet connection. Then comes benefits of network as a service. A network as a service minimizes the time taken by the staff of the company or the organization to maintain and for the commitment, and due to this the business grows. Network as a service also has guaranteed uptime to a location. This benefits the customers and is one of the primary business concerns. Then SD-WAN technologies are available at network as a service, which provides an easy to use multiple network links that helps in connectivity, or it gives proper or stronger connectivity to the customers. SD-WAN technology also helps to solve the issue related to traffic engineering for applications such as VoIP, that is Voice over Internet Protocol. There is an ease with deployment and management at the network as a service model with the help of SD-WAN, that is Wide Area Network. What are the requirements of network as a service? First thing, one of the major requirement is the integration with current DC, that is direct current or direct circle hardware, as the existing DC constitutes a significant investment. Use of commodity networking equipment reduces the cost of large DC deployments. Another requirement is network as a service should expose a natural programming model, which should be the high level model. Moreover, it should not expose the full complexity of physical network topology in DC. The third requirement is the network as a service should support the multitude of different applications running concurrently unaware of each other. This whole thing is called scalability and multi-tenancy isolation. Then network as a service architecture. In the architecture of network as a service, the network devices in network as a service can execute the tenant code. The component responsible for the execution of the tenant code is the network as a service box. Network as a service boxes can be integrated into the same switch hardware. Also, it can be implemented as a different device connected with the help of high bandwidth links. These network as a service boxes host in network processing elements which perform application specific processing of the packets that travel through them. What are the service models of network as a service? First thing is bandwidth on demand, then virtual private network and mobile network virtualization. Now, what is bandwidth on demand? It is a technique by which we can assign the capacity of the bandwidth. That totally depends on the requirement between different nodes and users. Here, the rates can be adapted to the traffic demands of the nodes that are connected to the link. Then, what is virtual private network? It integrates with the private network and the resources. It can include networks like public internet. Virtual private network enables the host computer to transmit and receive data across the shared and private network with functions and policies of the private network. Then another thing here is mobile network virtualization, or the third service model of network as a service is mobile network virtualization. Here a network operator creates and manages a network and sells its software to the third party. The network as a service, it includes scalable and user friendly multicast protocols, security firewall, intrusion detection and prevention, wide area network, virtual private network, bandwidth on demand, custom routing, content monitoring and filtering. The providers of network as a service focus on some specific areas such as ultra secure connectivity, ultra simple configuration, or providing services to mobile and temporary locations. The small and middle sized business is enjoying the advantages of network as a service. Moreover, it provides benefits for those having no previous investment in wide area network. Network as a service is selected over other models because it eliminates the capital investment and the hardware investment. It is economical as it reduces the work of staff, maintain the level and reduces the staff assigned to that particular case. The networking of the software can gradually increase. Rather than utilizing hardware switches and nodes to drive network activity, corporations began to virtualize the network method and use virtual logic entities to regulate the network. Network as a service vendors usually emphasize SD-WAN functionality in addition to the simplicity of reading and management at the center of the network as a service model. The network as a service can still be one of the foremost fascinating new IT choices for corporations that want to try a lot in terms of code design while not hiring engineers and building physical hardware setups. Thank you.